Okay guys, welcome back. Today is December 16th. We're going to open up door number 16 and see what hot sauce we have. Alright, for number 16 we have Oh Christmas Tree, sweet and spicy mango. On the side we have an exotic blend of mango, habanero peppers, passion fruit, lemon, brown sugar, and cane vinegar. This sauce gives food like chicken, fish, rice, shrimp, and egg rolls a delightfully exciting taste. So this sauce sounds pretty good. I'm excited to try it. Alright, let's get the spoon and taste it. It smells pretty spicy, and it has a strong habanero smell to it. I'm not picking up any of the fruit. Alright, let's give it a taste. After tasting it, it is very spicy. It's just about as spicy as number 15, the other habanero sauce. I do get a little bit of mango, not really any passion fruit. It's got really nice flavor though. On second taste, I might get a little bit of passion fruit. Alright, let's check the ingredients on the back of the box. So here is the Oh Christmas Tree hot sauce. It has distilled vinegar, aged green jalapeno pepper mash, green jalapeno peppers and salt, sugar, mango puree, salt, and xanthan gum. So I noticed on the ingredients that it does not say it contains habaneros, passion fruit, lemon, so I don't know if they include everything in there, because this says right on the back that it is a mango, habanero pepper, passion fruit, lemon, brown sugar, and cane vinegar sauce. On here it says jalapeno peppers, and this tastes and looks like a habanero sauce and not a jalapeno sauce. Other than that, it is pretty good. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get one more taste. So I believe that is definitely a habanero sauce and not a jalapeno sauce. Thanks for watching. Tune in tomorrow for door number 17. We'll see how spicy it is.